Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to install IIS Internet Information Service on your Windows Server 2019 standard version, standard edition. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to go to your start menu and go to the server manager over there. So click on this server manager. So after get this screen, you have to click on dashboard and now click on add role and features. So after click on add roles and features, you have to click on next and now select here role based or feature based installation. Now click on next, then click on next, and after that from this list you have to select here web server, which is IIS, as you can see, Internet Information Service, and click on add feature. After that click on next. Now no need to select anything over there. After that directly click on next, then next, then next, and click on install. So after that it will take some time to install, so you have to wait for a few minutes. So once the installation is completed successfully, you have to click on close. Now close this window. After that go to your start menu and click on Windows Administrative Tools, and after that from this list you will get Internet Information Service, IIS, as you can see. So double click over there and you will get a window like this. So now you have to expand your server. Now click on sites, expand that site. Now here is the default website. You can create another new website, so I will go with the default website. So now if you'll go to your browser and type localhost, so let me show you guys localhost. As you can see, the default website is showing over there. So here I have already put it over there, as you can see, under C drive, www root. Here is the index file, as you can see. If I'll delete that file, it will show the default website, as you can see. So now what you have to do, you just need to, if you want to put your own HTML or website file over there, you just need to click on stop, and after that, so I'm going to copy paste this HTML file, index HTML file, under that www root folder, and after that I will delete the default website from here. And now if I'll click on start and if I'll reload this page, as you can see my website is showing over there. So you can access this website from your local area network. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and if you want more tutorial like this, then let me know in the comment section. And also if you want more awesome content like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.